Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, and it is the chapter number 4, which is more on Word 2010. So, students, before we start our class, we all know that Microsoft Word is used for typing letters, typing articles, right? And we have been using MS Word for quite some time now. So, today we are going to learn more about MS Word, and we are going to start with column formatting. Now, what is MS Word? MS Word is an application software. It is also called as the word processor, and it is part of the MS Office suite. So it is used for letter typing, typing articles, documents, etc. Now, what is column formatting? Students, you would have seen in the newspaper where 2 to 3 words are written in each line. Then, just next, once the news gets over, the particular line gets over, then the news switches to the new column where just there are 2 to 3 words in a line, right? And once the news gets over, then the other column again starts with 2 to 3 words. How do you arrange that? This can be done, students, by using the column formatting option in MS Word. Now, how do we do that? So, to use the column formatting option, first thing we do, we what we do is we go to the uh, page layout tab. Then first you will have to select whatever you want to type. You just type it, then select it, then go to the page layout tab in Microsoft Word ribbon. Then you click on the column option and page setup group. You will find a list which appears. Then you can choose the options which are shown here. Once you choose them, and you can allocate the line, the space which you want to put there, and then click on OK. The moment you do that, you would see that the text getting arranged in the same way. So next comes is page formatting margin. Students, you would have seen by default Microsoft Word has a 1-inch margin by default, but if you want to increase, decrease, or make any changes to it, you can do that. Now, to do this, you have to go to the page layout tab, and you have to go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. Then you click on the margin option. You will find a lot of designs option there, which is normal, narrow, and then moderate, wide. So whichever you feel easier and whichever you feel better, you can select one of them and click on OK. The moment you click on OK, the margin will get applied to your Word document. Next comes, if I want to set the margin using the ruler, I can also do that. And in order to do it, first thing I need to have is the ruler on the top. Now you can see that in the view tab, you have a ruler option. You just have to go there and check mark it if you're not able to see the ruler. Next, there are two types of rulers. One is the horizontal and the second is the vertical ruler. Now to change the margin setting, let's say for the right margin, you place the mouse pointer on the right margin boundary. The pointer changes to the headed arrow, two-headed arrow. So one facing the right side, the other one facing the left side, which is called the margin maker. Now this will determine how much margin you can leave it. You just have to drag the margin marker to the desired location, and the margin will get applied. Next comes is the page orientation. Page orientation means determining the direction of the text, how the text would be aligned. Now there are two types of page orientation. One is the portrait and second is the landscape. Now portrait, it's kind of a vertical shape of the page, and landscape is kind of a horizontal page, as if you have just flipped the page to two different directions. So students, this brings us to the end of the class. Here we have our homework. First we will do tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, and we will do question number 1, which is what do you explain MS Word? What do you know about MS Word? You can write it in 2 points here. And just in case, if you have any doubts or any question related to today's class, then feel free to reach me through the comment section. So thank you for your time, students, and have a good day ahead.